राहुल बड़ी, अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि एमबीए में 2 साल क्या करवाते हैं, लेट मी टेल यू. एमबीए इन बेंगलुरु सीरीज विद प्रोफेसर कुमिल खिलमानी, पार्ट 11. The very first year you would be learning the basics of marketing, HR, finance and operations, right? That's very important. So these are the 4 subjects that you will be learning, because MBA is all about business administration. You need to know how marketing function works. You need to know how finance works. You need to know how HR functions. You need to know what happens in the operations. So these are the core subjects. You can call this as the 4 pillars or 4 legs of a chair of a company, right? Apart from that, you specialize. Then the second year, between the first year and the second year, you have a transition to choose a major or a specialization. It could be marketing, HR, finance or operation, which are standard for evergreen specializations in the current scenario in most of the MBA colleges. If you go a little ahead and get into a better college or university, then you have options like artificial intelligence, business analytics, project management, supply chain management, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. ये सब चीज़ें जो है, ये सब स्पेशलाइजेशंस आपको कॉलेज ऑफर करेगा, provided they have the right faculty. So if you are not too sure in the very beginning as to which stream that you need to get into it, go and speak to somebody who has the expertise of guiding you the right way to help you choose the right specializations, Rahul. And if you have further queries, you know whom to contact. My email is with you. Take care. See you soon.